It's the 1st of June, and if you've been following my vlogs regularly, you know, like every 1st of the month and probably the Sundays, I do go out for brunch. So today I'm here at Project Hum in Warsaw, and bas we've ordered some rad Thai bowl and some wrapping with sweet potato fries, and I'm doing my filling up my book. See, I have been doing this for a very long time. This is my book. I have to get a lot of prints more. I'm trying to catch up on the stuff. I keep all these things that I feel, and then I just fill this book up. Having my coffee, which is a Hum cold coffee. I like to have the house cold coffee of the cafes because I don't know. I feel they're much more interesting than the ones that I would normally order. But this is really good. This is actually good. Anyway, wanna eat now. Oh, my dates, my bachelor. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Oh, hi. What are we doing today?
We are eating rad something
Rad Thai.
and mushroom sandwich with a couple of cold coffees. This is the 1st of June and
I already said all of those things.
no, you didn't say it's my birthday month.
Oh yeah, I just
So much excited. Although I get to celebrate my birthday month properly because I'm at the end of it. Some people don't get to celebrate their birthday
I'm
month.
literally on the 4th of September. मतलब मन चालू होके ही September का excitement चला जाता है.
Yeah.
That's why I start getting excited August से. Yeah, throughout the year only.
We start celebrating from Rakshit's birthday, which is on 4th of August. Yeah. और फिर किसका बर्थडे आता है इसको देखो.
Art and craft baby. This is Terai Gin ka thing which Priyanka gifted me on my birthday last year, and she gifted me the whole bottle and the set. So I have removed the clips, छोटे सा things, and I've added it for memories. So I do similar stuff for Pet Fed ka invite tha, so I cut out the invites and stuff for Pet Fed, and this is what I've got. Got a few PR packages and the postcards from there, so that I have kept it like that. This is again a few orange bougainville which I really loved, and I think they're very rare to find somehow, but I found them from Goa, so I got it here, and they matched really well with this. So this is a yellow orange page. This is from Kalki. Kalki gave me something. This is Lovely Forum, written by Sagar after one of her fights, so I kept it here. You don't know that, right?
No.
You wrote one of this as
It's
well.
from my book.
Yeah.
भाई तू कभी फाड़ के दिए?
मैंने नहीं फाड़ा, तूने फाड़ के मेरे बेड पे रखा था after one of our fight, and so I kept it as memory. I'm such a good girlfriend. This is Spider-Man का Hot Wheels का thing which Sagar recently got. I think in the month of
नहीं, तूने दिलाया था.
April. No, I didn't pay. I just let you. So Sagar ने तो obviously तुरंत निकाल दिया, but for memories I kept the box of it like that. See, and this is the recent thing. We went to a party, like a hot girls party, and we did a photo booth thing over there with the girls. So I have this, and then this was our recent trip to Goa. So I kept flower from Goa, Air India का 2 flights हमने जो लिया वो दोनों ने.
तूने चिपकाया है फ्लावर?
Yeah, like this. So cute, right? Well, this is how I go to the gym every day, fully covered. इतना जो मैं cover up करके धूप से निकली हूँ, my gym is shut due to maintenance day. और मुझे
मैं एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेनर हूँ. मैं तुझे आज जिम कराऊंगी.
मैंने सागर को बोला तो चल मेरे जिम, आज मैं तुझे एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट वर्कआउट कराऊंगी क्योंकि मैं जिम में एकदम ऐसे पोकर फेस में रहती हूँ. मेरा जिम बंद है. मुझे अभी हम लोग नीचे मैकडॉनल्ड्स से तो कॉफ़ी पियेंगे. Why do I have to torture myself at 6:30 a.m.? We've come out for our first run in week 22 since post ACL tear, or 22 weeks into my ACL rehab, and managed to kind of do around 1K in parts. I ran a bit. Like I ran a bit and then I brisk walk, and post that I felt some sort of pain in my knee. So then I walked again and then I ran again once the pain was almost gone. But like I do feel that pain thoda sa. Anyway, kind of done. But look at it. Look at the sky. It has turned into like proper grey, and it's like, I mean, this is 7:15, 7:30 in the morning. Does it feel like that? And you see like there are droplets. Chotu chotu si barish ho rahi hai already. My first monsoon experience this year. Now I'm just waiting to get a little drenched in this rain. But yeah, I think good run, good start. I think I'm gonna do this every morning for a couple of weeks, at least till the heavy rains in Bombay do not start. I think this is a good opportunity for me to train my knees, and I just feel so good that I'm able to like jog and run a little because I was so scared to do this. It's like week 22. That's almost 5 months since the ACL tear, and 5 months not running, jogging, anything of that sort. So this is interesting. Guys, we saw a rainbow. Well, one day we wake up in the morning and the universe blesses us with all these perks. We are home and हम लोग के घर से भी थोड़ा rainbow दिख रहा है, which is so cool. Same rainbow, but अभी इसका intensity काफ़ी कम हो चुका है. But it's nice and windy. Like finally I can keep the windows open. I'm gonna show you the view. Okay, look. Can you see the rainbow? Can you now see the rainbow? Can you definitely now see the rainbow? Yes. Let's go.
And then
I got our sweats and
and
all.
what do we do? Okay, faces first and then wave. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, what's up? I am home. I have not vlogged the entire morning. It's not even like 10:30 yet, and I'm done with my like almost 10k steps. I went to the coastal road for a run with the girls, and I made like some really nice friends, and I can't believe I ran 3k. So there was this run hosted by Pratna, and it was led by Aditi, who is a Nike runner, and it was so fun and it was so nice. Like I felt so good doing that because it's been a while since I ran like with people, and I did my like first run post my ACL thing 3 days ago, and after that I did a direct 3k today with the views of the sea, which was so beautiful. I loved it. And then I had a smoothie bowl and a coffee, which was nice too. And then I rode back home, and it's just such a fulfilling morning. I had so much built up emotions in me since like past couple of days, and I don't know, after the run I feel so light and a little more clear headed. So I'm just glad that this happened for me. Yeah. इतना बड़ा इसने क्या मंगा है? क्या मंगा? I have to open my own package. So I just got back from my run, and you see, I've gotten like almost one shade, minimum of one shade darker, and मैं अभी भी tan निकाल रही हूँ मेरा, फिर भी I'm like finding ways to get tan, and it's so difficult for me because मेरे skin से tan जल्दी निकलता नहीं है. But we got a package. मैंने already खोल लिया है और photos ले लिए for my Instagram, but I want to show you things that I got from today's like run event. There was this entire hamper by Juicy Chemistry X Two Brothers, and if you guys know or remember, Two Brothers के farm पे I had gone and we had seen the whole like ghee making process, which was so interesting. And, ever since then we have been घर पे at least using Two Brothers का ghee, so I'm excited that we got ghee in the package. And then we have this, which is a cold processed organic soap bar. It has ghee and rose and some sort of turmeric, which is interesting. The formulation of all of this combined would be really great for the skin, and it also smells super good. Then there's rose water, which can be used for the hair and for the face both. Great because it's summers, so I think I would love that. I anyway love to use like rose water as a toner because it just cleanses and soothes your skin so well in the summers. There's also a lip balm, which I'm again super excited to try. Again, the same ingredients as the soap part, literally the same ones. And yeah, that's about it. And then like chotu sa thing which we got, like a cute little soap stand, and this is super rough, so I don't know why people still use that, but it's okay. Anyway, that's all that we got in this package. I'm gonna go get rid of the stand now.